Hi, my name is Sylvia, and today I would like to talk to you about drinking alcohol in pregnancy. Ah, taboo! Should we? Shouldn't we? Is there a safe limit? Well, for most of us, the moment you find out you're pregnant, you cut out alcohol immediately because it's bad. But why is it bad and how much is bad? Well, alcohol is a toxin, and when you drink, it gets into your blood and through your placenta passes onto your unborn child. Now we have to remember, yes, in adults we break down alcohol in our liver, but baby's liver is one of the last organs to develop and actually doesn't mature until later in pregnancy. So baby doesn't have the ability to process alcohol as well as you can, and it is much smaller than you. So one drink to you is like four drinks to them. Mm. Drinking in excess or binge drinking is bad for you anyways. But in pregnancy, it can lead to miscarriage, stillbirth, or premature birth. What's worse, in children, it can lead to fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, the most severe of which is fetal alcohol syndrome. This can cause children to have smaller brain, thus smaller head. It's called microcephaly. Facial defects such as smaller eyes, wider apart from each other, very thin upper lip, small nose, then mental retardation and a host of behavioral problems. Also, these kids are usually much smaller in size. Yet, still many experts are divided on the potential effects of light or occasional drinking in pregnancy. But because no one has been able to set a clear limit for the safe drinking in pregnancy, most experts will tell you to stay away from alcohol entirely. Or at least wait until the end of the first trimester, once all the organs have formed. Well, if your pregnancy is anything like mine, you would probably be sick just smelling alcohol, let alone drinking it. But if you choose to have the occasional drink during your pregnancy, is there some kind of an acceptable limit, if not safe limit? Well, according to NHS in UK, you shouldn't drink more than 1 to 2 alcohol units once or twice per week, where 1 alcohol unit equals to about half pint of beer or shot of spirit. But be aware, ladies, 1 small glass of wine, 125 ml, equals 1.5 alcohol units. And beware, if you're pregnant and you're drinking in public, you'll probably get yourself some nasty stares. I have many friends that used to have the occasional glass of wine or beer while pregnant, and their kids turned out just fine. Even I had a small glass of champagne once we passed the dreadful first trimester and could finally tell the happy news to our family and friends. I might have another glass again while I'm pregnant. If there is occasion, I might not. I'm not really bothered either way. But if you feel you have a problem and you cannot stop or cut down on drinking, just speak to your doctor or your midwife or even pharmacist. There are also those confidential helplines you can call, and I'm sure there's one in every country. Because pregnancy is a blessing and it's beautiful and you should be able to enjoy it. Well, and I'm enjoying it by a glass of orange juice, so cheers and thank you for watching. Oh, and please leave a comment because I would love to hear your experience or your opinion on this subject. So, thank you. Bye-bye.